This is a 2017 Chaparral H2O 21 Deluxe. She was purchased new by her owner, who unfortunately has passed away. She has a 4.3 liter Mercruiser, 220 horsepower with less than 9 hours. She's sitting on an aluminum I-beam trailer with a folding tongue. Her carpet stored inside a building out of the boat. She has a cockpit cover and a bow cover. She has the folding black powder coated sport arch. The seats turn into bolsters. Jensen stereo system, a Lowrance GPS chart plotter sounder. Plenty of storage. She's like new, and the estate is ready to move on. Berry-Boger Yacht Sales, 843-249-6167. She won't last long.